Why are you videotaping me?
Who wants to see your tears?
You're gonna be crying too. Get your butt over here.
You're so fucking good.
Taking your mind off things. Easy time.
No, look, it's paper.
I'm gonna kill her.
Is this gonna be like Mario Party paper?
No.
Do you remember that one?
No, it's not gonna be like that one. Just watch.
Do you remember
Just
that one?
watch. Yes, I've seen it. I remember it. Get out of the frame, Spike.
I love how every once in a while I get a big chunk of wood and snack it. Oh, I like that with the egg. So do a shop in there. Who's that bitch?
Are you crying, Hannah? Hannah?
Who's this dick?
Are you laugh crying right now? That's awkward. Stop doing that. That's unnatural. You're not even watching it.
It's funny because both those people he forgot about.
Oh, that's awful.
Like, who's this bitch? Who's that asshole?
Yeah, you're legitimately crying over there. Yeah, when I first saw that, I cried too. You just devoured that pie.
These pies are cure of sadness and work-related ills. I could eat 12 of these pies. I could eat 12.
Never again.
Did you cry a lot, Hannah?
Never again.
Oh, come on. You liked it. You liked it.
Oh,
Would you play the game?
I've already seen a lot. All of it.
Raina, that was awful thing to say about Simon, by the way.
That was terrible.
Who is this bitch?